Hey, Emma. How's your morning going?
Pretty good. I was just making some tea. How about you?
Not bad. I made pancakes this morning. They looked terrible, but they tasted great.
Pancakes don't need to look good. They just need to taste good.
True. So, ready for today's topic?
Yep. Today we're doing Chat and Learn English. Real-life dialogues for beginners. Simple English, slow speaking, natural conversation.
Perfect for beginners learning English.
For anyone new here, I'm Emma from California. I teach English and drink too much coffee.
And I'm John from Texas. I love teaching English too, and eating tacos. Tacos are my weakness.
Same. Tacos make everything better.
And in today's conversation, we want you to just relax, listen, and learn naturally. So, Emma, how's your week going?
Busy, but good. I cleaned my apartment. It took forever.
Cleaning never ends. It's like the dirt comes back the next day.
Exactly. You clean, and the universe says, let's make it dirty again.
Did you do anything fun?
I watched a simple comedy movie. It was nice. What about you?
I took a walk in the park. The weather was perfect.
Sounds peaceful.
It was just me, trees, and very loud birds.
So today, we want to show you how real conversations sound.
Not too formal, not too perfect, just real.
People think they need perfect grammar to speak English. But no, you don't.
You just need confidence and simple sentences.
So, John, how was your morning?
I woke up late, around 10 a.m.
That's not late. That's lovely.
For me, it's late. I usually wake up at 7. I got up, made pancakes, and watched TV for a bit.
That sounds like a good, slow morning.
It was. What about you?
I woke up early for no reason. My brain said, wake up. So I made tea and started work.
Wow, very productive.
Not every day. Sometimes I wake up like a zombie.
A lot of beginners struggle with feelings vocabulary.
True. But feelings can be simple. John, I'm tired. I'm happy. I'm sad. I'm excited. Like right now, I feel relaxed.
And I feel full because pancakes.
What are your weekend plans?
I think I'll visit my parents. Maybe have dinner with them.
That sounds nice.
I miss them. What about you?
I might go to the beach or stay home and read. I'm not sure.
Both good options. Many students say, I want to speak like a native speaker.
And I always say, speak like you.
Yes, you don't need a perfect accent.
You just need to feel comfortable speaking.
John, tell them your Spanish story.
Okay, I was in Mexico trying to say I'm excited, but I accidentally said I'm pregnant.
Oh, no.
The waiter looked so confused. I said, yes, very pregnant. My friend told me later, and I wanted to disappear.
That's amazing. See, mistakes happen.
And mistakes make great stories.
Here are some simple expressions we use often.
Really?
That's good.
No way.
I don't know.
I'm not sure. Let's do a simple café dialogue.
Okay,
Hi, can I get a large coffee, please?
sure. Anything else?
Do you have blueberry muffins?
Yes, we do.
Great, I'll take one.
Your total is $5.
Thank you.
You're welcome. John, how did you learn English as a kid?
By listening? By watching my parents talk?
Yes, babies don't study grammar.
They listen and repeat and make mistakes.
That's how adults should learn too, naturally.
If you could learn any language instantly, which one?
Korean. I love Korean dramas.
Good choice. I'd choose Japanese so I can read manga in Japanese.
That's cool.
So, what's the main message today?
Simple. Don't try to be perfect. Just try to communicate.
Talk a little every day
Listen to real conversations.
and enjoy the process.
You're learning. You're improving. You're doing great.
Thanks for joining us today.
See you in the next conversation. Bye.
Bye.